Hello, Namaskar. Let us try to understand in this tutorial how we can connect push buttons or dip switches like slide switches to a microcontroller pin. Okay, so it's very easy. Let us say you have a push button switch. Okay, what we are going to do is we have here 3.3 volt connect a resistor. Okay, try to connect with high value resistor so that that like you don't waste much of current here. And this is going to go to the MCU pin. Okay, so user push button 0. So what it will see, the MCU is actually seeing high. Okay, so it is seeing high because 3.3 volt is connected. So whenever the port pins is like available, it will see high because it is disconnected here. Now whenever you press this button, what is going to happen? This user PB0 is going to get sorted to the ground. So MCU pin will go low, right? So it will go low. It means whenever MCU sees that the pin has gone low, then it will think that the button has been pressed. Okay, and it will like execute the work that you want to do. So let us say user push button 0 was pressed, and as soon as it was pressed, the MCU pin will see that okay, 0 has come. It means the ground has come or low has come. Okay, so based on this, it can drive any pin or something. Let's say this pin is connected to some LED. Okay, so it will drive that LED to maybe high or maybe toggle. Like if it was high, then it will make it low. If it was low, then it will make it high. So like that, it will keep doing based on the push button pressed. Understood? Similarly, you can connect another push button with same method. Like 3v3 is connected, user push button 1 is there. So this is connected to your MCU pin, and this MCU pin will make sure that it is like connected to high, and whenever this push button is pressed, it will get connected to ground. It means it will go to low. Okay, and based on this decision, you can take your like actions like glowing an LED or taking some interrupt or executing executing some task. Maybe you want to do some reset or something, that we'll tell later. Let us now come to the dip switches. So how it is going to happen is, let's say it is happening something like this. So this is my pin number 1 and this is my pin number 8. Okay, so pin number 8 is connected to 3v3 and pin number 1 is connected to the MCU pin dip switch 0. Okay, so what is happening here? What is happening here is the user dip switch 0 is actually grounded through a pull down resistor 10k. Okay, the resistor value you don't worry, here you can make it, let's say 10k also, but I will recommend you do not go less than 10k, otherwise you will be losing lot of current here itself. Okay, here also pull down resistor 10k is sufficient or even you can go as less as 4.7k as well. Okay, or if you want to increase, that is not a problem. But what is going to happen whenever the dip switch goes right side? Okay, it means it will get connected. So once it gets connected, this 3v3 will be appearing at the dip switch. Okay, so earlier what was there? Earlier it was connected to low. Okay, and as soon as you slide the switch, it will go to high. So earlier my MCU pin was at low, so it is taking a decision that okay, this is low. Whenever it goes high, then it can take another decision. Understood? So this is how you connect your dip switch. Got it? If you do have any question regarding the connection of dip switch to a MCU pin, you can put down your comments in the comments below. Let us see in the microcontroller how it is connected. So let us say this is my dip switch So it is connected to PF4 of the microcontroller. So what it is saying is, seeing in the beginning, let's say the switch position was, this is A, let's say this is B, and this is my switch position. So it is at A, so it was grounded, so it is seeing 0. Now once you slide this to B, this was 3v3. Okay, so this will become 1. Understood? So based on 1, it will take another decision. Based on 0, it will take another decision. So this dip switch is actually used to set the mode or something like that. Because once you leave this, it will remain at that place itself. It will not come back, just like push button. So you can understand the difference between push button and slide switch. Okay. So slide switch, whatever you want, like let's say uh, out of these four, buttons, two of them are 1 and two of them are 0. So then you can keep that position, like two of them I'll slide high and two of them I'll keep it slide to low. Okay. So this is how it will remain forever. Understood? All right, guys. Hope you have understood everything. Regarding the connection of a dip switch, and then push buttons. And based on this, you can service some interrupt routines or any of the functionalities that you want. Okay. All right. Thank you.